Gently adjust the neck here, easy. Good. Easy. Good, let's side. Good. Good. Around in a wheelchair. Out, easy. Good. Out. Good. Let's. Good. Did you hear some popcorn? I heard some popcorn in there. Down. Good. Chin up a little bit. Good. Good. Let's go on the other side and see we and out this spot right here. Oh, what? Did you hear some popcorn? There was some pop. Wow. Breath in. Relax down. Good. Breath in and out. Good. Good. Let's go on the other side. Awesome. Yeah. Whoop. That side's tight. Let's get you on your back. Now, chin up. Good. Okay, that's really
Popcorn.
nice.
All right, diggle, diggle.
Relax. Good. Oh, did you hear that? That way you're not walking around in circles. All right. Relax down. Good. Easy bend. Relax. Good. Oh, good job. Relax. Good. How's your? And out. Easy. We'll get Paula. We'll get Paula in there. Good. Breath in here. All the way out. Relax. Good. That moved very. That was good. It was really stuck in there, Jasmine. Oh, there you go. Good.
Lower.
There you go. One more. Okay.
Side. All right. Relax.
Did he call me this morning?
Good. Yeah, there it is. Good. Whoa! That moved awesome. And relax. Good. I'm gonna have to mute some of this because then no. Good. Good.
Oh.
Good. Wow. Now. Good. Okay. That moved. Good.
Holy cow.
Yeah,
You
video.
sure you want different?
This is gonna be times. Oh wow. Well, the arms flailing helps. Out. Go. Breath in, breath out. Good. Relax. Good. 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 Out. Good. Breath in and out. Good.
Roll. Good. All right. Little pop.
Your inferior sacrum. Easy. Good. And now let's go on the other side. Sacrum. Good. Okay, awesome. Let's get you. Here we go. A little bit further. Good. Okay. I've learned in China. This is just adjusted for working the rhomboids. Oh, all the way out.
Boom.
Good. Here, relax. Good. And then right down here. Boom. All these 2, 3, 4, and the thumb. Good.